So we just went kind of rapid fire through kind of the basic flow of information in molecular biology. DNA, RNA, protein, etc. So based on that information flow, I'm asking you just propose two specific ways. And when I say ways, I mean in the language that we just presented, basically molecular explanations in terms of these molecules, DNA, RNA, protein, that a mutation could change gene function. Okay? We said that genes basically are kind of key functional units. Let's just keep things simple here. Assume that we've got an organism that only has one copy of its genome, so you don't have to worry about, recessive, dominant, all that nonsense. But basically, state in molecular terms, how could a mutation, what would be two example ways that a mutation could affect, change gene function? It's a real simple question. Question? No, I haven't. I'm just setting up the question here, but when you log in, you should see this question on your screen. What you have to do is you have to get first the Wi-Fi connection and then see that login screen. And then at the bottom of the login screen, there's a link that says register. And that's all you have to do. You click that register link, put in a new username, and your university ID number. And then once you do that, you'll see this question. Okay. Any questions about what this question is asking you? Anything that's unclear about the words?
Do you mean that how mutation changes the gene, or how it changes like the gene?
Well, let's say the gene is just a way station to function, some kind of downstream thing that we could see. Maybe the organism used to have orange eyes and now it has white eyes, or something like that. So genes carry out functions through the information flow that I just presented to you, DNA, RNA, protein. So the question here is, use the language of molecules to just give a couple of examples of how a change at the DNA level could result in a change in downstream function, basically by affecting a gene. Any other questions about what you're being asked? All right, so why don't you go ahead and think about that for a minute. It's a simple question, so thinking about it for more than a minute probably is not going to be too useful.